All right, evaluate composite function tables. So this one's a little bit easier than the last one, I think, because you don't have to do the math. You just have to figure out, you just have to know the concept behind it. So the tables below show some inputs and outputs. So input is always what you put in, the x. Output is the y of functions f and h. So here is the f outputs down the bottom, and here's the h outputs. We are doing a composite down here, so h goes first, then f. We're putting 3 in for h. So we're going to find where 3 is, and what comes out? -1 comes out. Now we're going to plug -1 in for f, and what comes out? -11. So yeah, there's very little actual arithmetic here. This is just actually knowing the concept and being able to read a table or graph. I think the next one will be a graph. Okay, so we have the two graphs up here. What really matters is which of the following is the best approximate for the value of f -2 and then g. So we're going to go f first, -2. F is the blue one. -2 goes here. What comes out is your y value, okay? So we have a 0 is our y value. So now we're going to plug in 0 and see what comes out. Well, there's actually two answers here. There's both what it looks like to be very close to 1 and very close to 7, but before 1 and after 7. Interesting. So I must be making a mistake because I don't see the right answer. So -2 goes in for f. We get 0 out. Oh, yeah, I made a mistake. Sorry. We put in 0. What comes out? It's -3. Yeah, I was the outputs were 0 here. These are the zeros of the function, not putting 0 in. This will be putting in 1 and we get 0 out. This will be putting in 7 and get 0 out. I did that backwards. Sorry. So I'll start from the beginning real fast. -2, we get 0. We plug in 0 and we go to -3. So -3 is our answer. Okay, so we're going to do G first. We're putting in 25. So find 25. 5 comes out. Then we put in 5. Oh, this is actually H. Oops, made a mistake. All right, so G is up here. Put in 25. 5 comes out again, coincidentally. And then 5, and then 1 comes out of H. So it's 1. Yeah, the other actually way you can know this is wrong, the way I started doing it is if you put in 25 in for H, and you got 5 out, there's no 5 up here. So, yeah, you couldn't even, they don't, if you had the actual equation, you could find it, but you would know on a multiple choice test that's wrong. All right, -2 goes into F, so -2, F is the purple one, and -2 we get 0 again, okay, and then 0 goes up, and we have 8 is our answer. All right, we are done.